Come with me to stay at a 5-star hotel in Hua Hin, Thailand. The first thing I always check in a hotel is its rooms. And oh my god, the room was impressively spacious, featuring high ceiling and expansive windows. I was also truly impressed by the unique rain shower in the middle of the room. The hotel featured 4 pools and 1 jacuzzi. I also relaxed at their opulent spa. I had a private therapist who consulted with me before my session to focus on specific areas. Breakfast was served at the Wide Open restaurant, which offered a variety of tasty dishes. For lunch and dinner, I had the option of eating at either Wide Open or Beach Society. During my 3-night stay, I tried both. Each restaurant offered a diverse menu featuring local Thai dishes, Indian cuisine and Western-style food. For one dinner, I booked a table on the beach, right next to the water. An unforgettable experience. I had a local fish, freshly caught at the port. Both restaurants are a must-try, and the hotel gets a 10 out of 10 from me. Hey, I'm Tim. I help people save money by making honest reviews of luxury hotels and destinations. Follow me for more cool places.